Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, the Canadian edition. All right, so this just arrived from Amazon. Got it on sale for, I believe, $49.99 Canadian. And I already have a Fire Stick 4K, but I wanted to see what the 4K Max was all about. So let's see, on the cover, it says our most powerful 4K stick plus next gen Wi Fi 6. So I think that's the biggest takeaway for why they labeled this one the Max. It's got Wi Fi 6, which should mean faster Wi Fi, which should mean better streaming. So we'll put that to the test a little later. On the side here, you see it says CBS News, City TV, Press and Ask Alexa, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, 4K Ultra HD, HDR High Dynamic Range, Dolby Vision Atmos, and Quad Core. On the back, it says level up your entertainment experience. Get smoother 4K streaming with next gen Wi-Fi 6 and watch all your favorites all right here. And on this side here shows global, Twitch, what's included, Amazon Fire TV Stick, 4K Max, Alexa voice remote, 3rd generation, 2 AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable. What's needed? High-speed internet with Wi-Fi, HDTV or 4K HDTV with HDMI input. And back to the front, it shows that, I guess, out of the box, or what you can download is Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, CTV, Crave, I believe that's Sportsnet, Paramount Plus, CBC Gem, Apple TV, the French version of CBC, Tubi TV, Amazon Music, NHL, and I'm sure there's much more. We'll get into that a little later. All right, so let's get into this box and see what's inside. Looks like a pull tab. No knife needed, hopefully. Nothing else in the box. So, got your Amazon Alexa remote, 3rd generation, as they said. Feels pretty lightweight. There's no batteries in there yet, of course. So as you can see, the power button, the Alexa button, the directional up, down, left, and right, plus enter. Back button, home button, menu button, back, rewind, fast forward, play and pause, mute, TV button. I believe this is the input button. Up and down, volume, and your dedicated Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Amazon Music buttons. Little Fire TV embossed logo at the bottom, and that's about it for the remote. What else is in here? So we got, looks like, micro USB to USB-C cable. Sorry, a USB-A cable. The actual Fire Stick. I don't think there's anything different or special about this on the outside, other than I think it has a slightly different chip on the inside and the Wi-Fi 6 included. So power, put your power cable there and plug this part into your TV. So here's the HDMI extender cable. So if you have an awkward angle at the back of your TV, you would just plug this portion into your TV and put the Fire Stick into this part. Most of the times you could just put the Fire Stick directly into your TV. Actually, let me demonstrate that for you here. So you would take the Fire Stick and just put it here, and then you would put this end into the back of your TV, and you can let it hang or however you want to set it up. But like I said, most times you could just plug it in straight to your TV with that. And hello, bonjour, giving you some illustrations on how to set up your Fire Stick. Important information: maintaining your Fire Stick. And there should be some batteries in here. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. Power brick and the batteries. Amazon Basic branded batteries. And that's everything that's in the box. So that's the Fire TV Stick 4K Max from Amazon. If you stick around, I'm going to set it up in real time on my 4K TV just to give you an idea of what the setup process for this device looks like. So here we are setting up the Fire TV 4K Max on my 4K TV. Right now it's asking me to press the play button, and it wants me to choose which language. So I'm in Canada, so we're gonna go with English Canada. I think the Fire Stick, it came to me with my Wi-Fi settings already pre-installed, so I didn't have to enter any Wi-Fi information. So as you can see, it's installing all the latest software. I'll cut to after all the software has been installed. Looks like it's got to do another software update, so we're gonna wait for this one, and let's see what happens next. Looks like it wants me to sign up to Amazon Kids. I'm gonna skip this for now. So now it's asking me to choose my streaming services. So let's see. I'll just pick a couple here. I'm not really into sports, but I'll just pick this one. Pick Twitch and press play to continue. Finish. It does definitely seem faster upon the load compared to my old 4K Fire TV stick. It seems a little bit snappier. I'm just not sure if I'm in 4K right now. Let's double check. Oh, that's not where I wanted to go. Display. No, in 1080p. So let's switch this to 2160p at 60 hertz. Confirm the change. And that looks a little better. Don't like the sponsored ads at all. But everything seems to be working very smoothly. As it downloads the extra apps in the background. So let me just try downloading speed test to see what kind of Wi-Fi connection I have here. Speed test. Let's do analytic. So my current internet speed is 100 megs down. So close to 80 down, which is okay. I'll do it one more time just to make sure there's no fluctuations. Let's test it again. Again, my download speed is 100 megs. Got a little better this time. We're going to do one more just to get an average. And one more test. Not bad at all. Very good download speed on this device. I'm very impressed. Let's hit the home button. And as you can see, we have Prime Video, Netflix, Crave, YouTube, the App Store. Let's just see what's in the App Store real quick. So this is what's featured in the App Store. It's very bright compared to my Google Chromecast. It's very vibrant. I like the way it looks. Well, there you have it. That's the setup of the Fire TV 4K Max. Hope you enjoyed. And please hit that like button. Please subscribe. And leave any comments or questions you have below. Well, that was the setup for the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me in the isolation chamber, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.